Lesson 5. Our green friend. Plants are living things. There are many kinds of plants.
They grow all around us and vary in size and shape.
Plants also have different parts for different functions. We can group the parts of plants mainly into root and shoot. The root. Some roots are big and strong, while others are small and weak. Plants and trees that have weak roots can be destroyed by strong wind. Trees like the banyan have very deep roots and live for many years. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from this main root, it is called a taproot. Plants like mustard, balsam and bean have taproots.
Fibrous root.
When a large number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is called a fibrous root. Plants like rice, wheat, grass and onion have fibrous roots. Functions of a root. The root fixes the plant to the soil. It takes in water and minerals from the soil and passes them to the stem. Many roots store food in them. We eat such roots. Have you seen a banyan tree? It has rope-like growths hanging down from its bigger branches. These hanging growths are a special type of roots called aerial roots. They act like pillars and support the heavy branches of the banyan tree. Thus, supporting or aerial roots provide additional support to the big banyan tree. Storage root. Sometimes there is acute water shortage due to scanty rainfall. Lack of water leads to crop failures, which in turn lead to shortage of food. Storage roots such as sweet potato, tapioca, and yam can be very useful in such situations and help people survive. These foods are useful in times of food shortage. The shoot. The part of the plant which is above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot bears stems, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. All these parts perform important functions. Let us study about these parts. The stem. The stem grows above the ground. Functions of a stem. It supports the plant and keeps it upright. It bears branches. Leaves, flowers and fruits grow on these branches. The most important function of the stem is to carry water and minerals to the leaves. The leaves use this water and minerals to make food. The food prepared by the leaves is again carried by the stem to the different parts of the plant.
The figure given on the above shows
how water and food travel
up and down in the stem.
Some stems store extra food in them. We eat such stems like ginger, onion, potato and sugarcane that store extra food in them. Leaf. The leaf is the most important part of the plant. Most plants have green leaves. The color of the leaves is green due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. The green leaves make food for the plant with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. When the leaves make food, they give off oxygen through the stomata. This oxygen is used by all living things to breathe. Many plants store extra food in their leaves. We eat the leaves of such plants such as spinach, mint and cabbage. Parts of a leaf.
The flat and broad part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf is the main vein. A number of side veins lead off from the main vein.
These veins carry water to the leaf. On the lower surface of the leaf,
there are very tiny pores called the stomata.
The stomata helps the plant to take in air for breathing. Flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. They are found in a variety of colors. Some flowers have a pleasant, sweet smell. Flowers grow into fruits. Thus, they help the plant to reproduce. Agent of pollination. Visit a garden which has many flowers. What do you see? Can you see insects sitting on the flowers? Birds and insects like honeybees and butterflies are attracted to flowers. They fly from one flower to another, carrying pollen. Birds suck a sweet liquid called nectar from flowers. As they dip their beaks, their heads rub on the flowers covered with pollen. This way, they carry the pollen to other flowers, thus helping in pollination. Honeybees live in hives. These hives are made of beeswax and consists of hexagonal cells. Each beehive may have more than 50,000 bees. There is only one queen bee.
Others are worker bees and male bees called drones.
Honeybees gather pollen in the baskets they have on their
Hind legs.
They store the nectar in their honey stomachs. When they go back to their hive, they spit out all the nectar into the cells of the hive. The cells are sealed with the wax their bodies produce. Soon the nectar turns into honey. Fruits and seeds.
Most of the fruits have seeds inside them.
Some fruits have only one seed, while others have many seeds. Seeds are protected inside the fruits. Watermelon, papaya, mango, peach. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. When a seed gets enough air, water and warmth, the baby plant starts growing. It is called germination. When it grows into a new plant, it bears its own leaves and starts making its own food.
Functions of the fruits.
Fruits protect the seeds inside them. Most fruits contain food. Many seeds also contain food. We eat such fruits and seeds.